How to view nearby stories on Instagram map. Grab your phone, we are checking nearby Instagram stories right now. Open the Instagram app, tap the search icon, the magnifying glass. In the search bar, type any keyword like your city, cafe, park, or mall. Once the result appear, tap the place tab. Now select any nearby location from the list. Tap view on map or see more, tap on it. You are now inside the Instagram map. As you zoom closer, you will see post and some story ring, the colorful circle on top of location thumbnail. Here's the fun part. When you see color ring around the location or thumbnail, tap it. That means there are active story from that place. Zoom in and look for the story circle. If you post a story with a location tag and your account is public, your story can appear on the map too. If you just watch a nearby story, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram hacks. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.